Hey, yes you. Hey sir. You can't escape me, sir. Don't you go anywhere. Have you seen this investment property at 628 College Avenue? It's a nearly 1,400 square foot, 2-story, 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, newly electrical wiring, a high efficiency furnace, and a double detached garage for only $214,900. You have to check this property out. See, wasn't that such a straight and solid property to check out? If you have any questions about this, give us a shout at, hey, excuse me, sir, you look like you could use a rental property, sir.